What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2024, Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With leaks and rumors swirling around the internet, there's a lot to unpack about what could be Samsung's most powerful phone yet. From an insane new camera system to a game-changing display, we've got all the latest info right here. If you're a Samsung fan or just someone who loves to stay on top of the latest smartphone tech, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Without further ado, let's jump right into everything we know about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. First things first, let's talk about the design. According to multiple leaks, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to retain the sleek and premium design language of its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, but with a few key changes. Leaked renders suggest that the S25 Ultra could feature a more refined, almost bezel-less display, with even slimmer borders and a slightly curved edge that blends seamlessly into the frame. One of the most exciting rumors is that Samsung might be using a titanium frame for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which would make it lighter, yet even more durable than previous models that used aluminum. This means the phone will not only feel more premium in your hand, but could also be better suited to withstand everyday wear and tear. We're also hearing that the color options might include some bold new choices, with rumors of a matte white and graphite black, along with a limited edition sunset red that could be a fan favorite. Samsung is definitely going for that futuristic look, but with a more minimalist, industrial feel. Moving on to the display, one area where Samsung has always dominated is screen technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. Leaks suggest the S25 Ultra could come with a jaw-dropping 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, making it the best display ever seen on a Samsung device. This upgrade from the 120 Hz on the S24 Ultra should make everything, from scrolling to gaming, look buttery smooth. But wait, it gets better. Some sources claim that Samsung might debut their first QHD+ LTPO 3.0 panel with the S25 Ultra. This would allow the display to dynamically adjust its refresh rate between 1 Hz and 144 Hz, optimizing battery life while maintaining incredible smoothness when needed. And let's not forget about brightness. The S25 Ultra is rumored to hit up to 2,500 nits of peak brightness, which would make it one of the brightest smartphone displays ever. This is huge for outdoor visibility, especially in direct sunlight. So, to sum it up, expect an even more immersive display with higher refresh rates, better brightness, and incredible color accuracy. Samsung is clearly aiming to maintain its lead in the display game. Alright, now for the part that everyone's been waiting for, the camera system. Samsung has been pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography for years, and if these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to raise the bar even higher. Rumor has it that Samsung is going all out with a 200mm primary sensor this time around, an upgrade over the already impressive 200MP sensor from the S24 Ultra. The new sensor is expected to come with enhanced pixel binning technology, which should result in even more detailed photos, especially in low-light conditions. But that's not all. The zoom capabilities are expected to be even more impressive. Leaks suggest a 12x optical zoom lens, with digital zoom going up to a mind-blowing 150x. Samsung is reportedly working on improving the clarity and stability of super zoomed-in shots, so you can capture distant subjects with unprecedented detail. There's also talk of improvements to the ultra-wide lens and a new periscope-style telephoto lens, which could help with better low-light zoom shots. And let's not forget about video. Sources are pointing toward 8K video recording at 60 FPS, with improved image stabilization for those cinematic shots. If these leaks are accurate, the S25 Ultra could easily become one of the best smartphones for both photography and videography. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or capturing nighttime cityscapes, this camera system could be a game changer. Let's move on to performance, because we all know that Samsung's Ultra series is built to deliver top-tier speed and efficiency. According to some very credible leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the brand new Exynos 2500 chip in select regions, while others might get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Both of these processors are rumored to be built on the cutting-edge 3nm architecture, which promises insane performance gains and improved power efficiency. On the Exynos side, Samsung is reportedly developing a new custom GPU in partnership with AMD using RDNA 3 architecture. If true, this means significantly better graphics performance for gaming, video editing, and even augmented reality applications. As for RAM, expect to see configurations starting at 12 GB, with a possible 16 GB variant for those who want the absolute best multitasking performance. Storage options are also rumored to range from 256 GB all the way up to 1 TB, with the potential for UFS 4.0 storage, meaning even faster data transfer speeds. In short, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using heavy-duty apps, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most powerful phones on the market, thanks to its new processors and RAM options. Now let's talk about battery life, because what good is all that power without a battery that can keep up? According to recent leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be packing a massive 5,500 mAh battery, which would be an upgrade from the 5,000 mAh battery in the S24 Ultra. But here's the exciting part. Samsung is rumored to be introducing a new ultra-fast charging technology that supports up to 150 bell wired charging and 65 bell wireless charging. This would mean you could get a 50% charge in just 10 minutes with a compatible charger. On top of that, the S25 Ultra is expected to come with improved reverse wireless charging, meaning you can top up your Galaxy Buds, watch, or even another phone just by placing them on the back of your device. With all these battery and charging improvements, Samsung is making sure you spend more time using your phone and less time waiting for it to charge.